Hi, I'm Mike with 3M, here to talk about the new 3M Xtract Series sanding disc. These discs feature a net backing that allows over 95% dust capture in sanding applications. Today, we'll show you how the 3M Xtract disc can eliminate dust and boost performance in aluminum sanding. We'll be sanding with the 3M Xtract Cubitron 2 Heavy Duty Net Disc 700W in grade 120. The heavy duty net backing and 3M precision shaped grain allow you to sand with no compromises, cutting incredibly fast and leaving a virtually dust-free work environment. Thanks for joining us today. Find out more at 3mxtract.com and sand with no compromises.